Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to our video today, where we're going to be talking about the exterior of the all-new 2023 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe. This is a stunning vehicle that really captures the spirit of Porsche, and we can't wait to dive in and explore all the amazing features that make it such a special car. First, let's talk about the exterior design. This is a car that exudes style and sophistication, with a sleek and aerodynamic shape that makes it stand out on the road. The front of the car features a distinctive Porsche grille that gives it a bold and powerful look, and the LED headlights are beautifully designed to provide excellent visibility while also adding to the overall aesthetic appeal. Moving around to the sides of the car, you'll notice the sculpted curves that accentuate the car's lines and give it a sporty, athletic look. The 22-inch alloy wheels are a beautiful addition to the overall design, and they're wrapped in high-performance tires that provide exceptional grip and handling on the road. At the rear of the car, the Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe features a beautifully designed spoiler that not only looks great, but also improves the car's aerodynamics and provides additional downforce for better handling at high speeds. The LED taillights are elegantly integrated into the rear of the car, and the quad exhaust system provides a powerful and aggressive sound that lets everyone know this is a serious performance vehicle. The interior is a true masterpiece. From the moment you step inside, you'll be blown away by the attention to detail, the high-quality materials, and the beautiful design. The first thing that you'll notice is the beautifully designed dashboard. It's sleek, modern, and minimalist, with a large infotainment screen at the center that provides all the information you need about the car's performance, navigation, and media. The leather-wrapped steering wheel is also an excellent touch, with a sporty design that feels great in your hands. The seats are another highlight of the interior design. They're highly customizable and available in a range of materials, including leather and Alcantara. The seats are highly contoured and provide excellent support, whether you're driving on a racetrack or taking a long road trip. The car is also packed with a range of features that add to its overall luxurious and high-tech feel. Here are some of the standout features that we love. 14-speaker Bose surround sound system. This is one of the best sound systems available in a car, and it provides exceptional audio quality whether you're listening to music or making phone calls. Panoramic sunroof. This feature is a game changer, providing a stunning view of the sky above and adding to the sense of openness and spaciousness in the cabin. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe comes with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to seamlessly connect your smartphone to the car and access all your favorite apps, music, and more. Advanced driver assistance systems. The Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe is packed with a range of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and blind spot monitoring. These features help keep you safe on the road and make driving a pleasure. Now, it's time to hear from you guys. What do you think of the interior design and features of the 2023 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe? Are there any features or colors that you love, or any that you don't care for? Let us know in the comments below. Porsche is well known for its commitment to safety. The car is equipped with a range of advanced safety features that help keep you and your passengers safe on the road. Let's take a closer look at some of the key safety features. Adaptive cruise control. This feature helps you maintain a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you by automatically adjusting your speed. It's especially useful on long road trips or in heavy traffic. Lane departure warning. This system alerts you if you start to drift out of your lane unintentionally. helping to prevent accidents caused by driver distraction or fatigue. Blind spot monitoring. This system uses sensors to detect vehicles in your blind spot and alerts you if you attempt to change lanes. Forward collision warning. This system uses sensors to detect if a collision with a vehicle or object in front of you is imminent. If a collision is detected, the car will provide a warning to help you avoid the accident. Automatic emergency braking. If the forward collision warning system detects an imminent collision and the driver does not respond, the car will automatically apply the brakes to prevent or reduce the severity of the accident. Night vision assist. This system uses infrared technology to detect pedestrians and animals on the road at night. It provides a visual warning on the dashboard, allowing you to take evasive action to avoid a potential accident. In addition to the safety features listed above, the 2023 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe is equipped with a range of active safety systems that help you stay in control of the car and prevent accidents. Here are some of the standout active safety systems. Porsche Stability Management. This system helps you maintain control of the car by automatically applying the brakes to individual wheels and reducing engine power if it detects a loss of traction. Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control. This system uses sensors to adjust the suspension of the car in real time, providing a smooth and comfortable ride even on bumpy or uneven roads. Porsche Torque Vectoring Plus. This system helps improve handling and traction by directing torque to the wheels with the most grip. Now we want to hear from you. What do you think of the safety systems in the 2023 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe? Are there any features that you particularly like, or any that you wish were included? Let us know in the comments below. The 2023 Porsche Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe is a performance-oriented vehicle designed to deliver exhilarating power and speed. The car is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that generates a whopping 640 horsepower and 850 Newton-meters. This powerful engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission that provides smooth and lightning-fast shifts. The Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe also features Porsche's advanced all-wheel drive system, which provides excellent traction and handling in all types of road conditions. The car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds and reach a top speed of 186 miles per hour. This impressive performance makes the Cayenne Turbo GT Coupe one of the most exciting SUVs on the market. Thank you for joining us in this video. We hope that you enjoyed learning about this amazing SUV's exterior, interior, safety systems, power, and exhaust. We'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions about the car in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.